I want to show you two. I mean, we've been joking and having fun earlier, but this is serious. This is a demonstration of telekinesis. Telekinesis is the ability to move an object with just your mind. Now, you might think I'm blowing on the pen at this point in time, what I'm about to do, but I will not. In fact, I'll hold my hand in front of my face, so there's no way I can direct air at that pen, but I'd like to direct your attention to the pen. Just focus on the pen, if you will. Whoa, that was a little quick. I'm going to try to slow that down. I'm just directing my energy toward the pen, trying to make it move a little bit, drawing it closer to me. And I'm not blowing on the pen because it's coming toward me. There's no threads, no wires, nothing like that. I'm going to attempt to make the pen jump just a little bit. Watch carefully. I'm going to play with the energy of the pen. I'm going to play just a bit with the energy of the pen to make the pen move, and that's what it's about. And I'm going to demonstrate that a bit further. I have this little piece of plastic in my pocket, which instead of balancing this pen on the end, I can actually set this pen pretty much on the middle of this thing here. Now watch this. I'm going to play with the energy of the pen, and I'm going to cause it to move. I'm going to try to draw this end a bit toward me if I can. And again, I'm not blowing on it because I'm talking, but I'm playing with the energy of the pen. It's like a dance. It's like a dance of the electrons as I get the pen to move. Come back toward me.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting stuff. Come back. Push. Push. Isn't that wild? Oops, I don't mean to touch it. I just mean to draw the energy of it toward me. See if I can get it to follow my finger. That's a demonstration of telekinesis. Welcome to the explanation of telekinesis, where I apparently moved an object with the power of my mind. Well, for this, you're going to be requiring a Bic-style pen, a very smooth plastic pen. I like the Bic pen very, very much for this effect. You're also going to need some object made out of silk or cotton. In this case, my tie. This trick is where I apparently moved an object with the power of my mind, but actually it was all done by static electricity. That's true. What I needed to do is get a static charge onto the pen, so here's how I did this. When no one was looking, I took my tie, and I wrapped the pen in my tie, and I moved it briskly back and forth several times. What this did is it imbued the pen with a static charge. This pen is now full of static electricity, so if my hand goes near the pen will be drawn toward my hand. You can't see it here, but you did see it on the edge of a table. So I'm going to use this little convex glass disc to show you. If you don't have one of these, obviously you put it on the edge of the table. By putting my hand near the pen, the static charge draws it toward my skin. The trick is actually moving my hand out of the way before the pen touches. And it looks quite mysterious here. Look at that. I can get that pen to roll everywhere just by basis of static electricity. Watch this. This is so statically charged right now that it's going to be drawn this way, and it's going to be drawn this way. This is a really amazing effect. Now I'm going to move to the outside edge of the table, right over here. And when you do this on the outside edge of the table, you're going to want to push the pen to the balance point, almost to where it's going to tip off the edge of the table. The reason for that is that will allow for the most movement you can possibly get out of a pen. Now I'm going to move my hand toward it, and with just a very subtle movement, you see, because it's on that balance point, it just moves, and it looks very, very mysterious to draw it both ways. If you do this too far, it will actually roll to the edge and fall off the edge of the table like that. So again, you want to find just the edge of the balance point, static charged, and then you want to move the pen by the seeming power of your mind. That is telekinesis.